What if I told you this song you're about to hear was created by AI? No studio, no expensive equipment, and is live on Spotify. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I created this music track, turned it into a full cinematic video, and published it where anybody can stream it worldwide. And at the end, I'll play the full video and show you where you can find it and help support the song. Hey, this is Anthony from Rocket Prince, and thanks for watching this video. On this channel, I provide you walkthrough tutorials from graphic design to digitizing images and how to create prompts to help you create and grow. I'm going to break it down into 4 simple steps: how I use ChatGPT to help me create the concept and the lyrics, how I drop those lyrics into Suno to help me create the music, and then using Sora 2 to help me create the cinematic video, and then finally uploading it into DistroKid where it is live on Spotify. Let's get into it. So the first thing I needed was a clear direction, not using just random lyrics. I asked ChatGPT to give me this prompt. First things first, we needed the mood. I wanted to set the tone with the mood so I knew what my audience was going to be engaged with. So just a quick pro tip: don't accept the first song it generates. I know it's going to sound good, but you want to make sure that you are satisfied with the actual song by giving it that much more exposure, letting Suno create those extra songs and those extra vibes that you are actually looking for. And then you're going to select which one you actually feel that it's going to engage with the audience that you are trying to make the song deliver to. Don't accept the first output. I usually ask ChatGPT to simplify the lines, make the chorus more memorable, and adjust syllables so it sings better. And once I was happy with what I got, I downloaded the lyrics and moved on to the next step. Now comes the fun part: turning lyrics into actual music. Inside Suno, I pasted my lyrics and selected the music style, the tempo, and vocal fill. I usually generate multiple versions. Why? Because one version might have a better hook, stronger drums, or emotional vocals. I listened carefully and picked the one that felt the most alive. Once selected, I exported the final audio file. Remember, music is very powerful, but videos make the audience feel what they are actually engaging with that style of music. You follow me? For the video, I used Sora to generate cinematic scenes that match the song's energy. I focused on the atmosphere, the lighting, slow intention camera movement. Instead of random visuals, I designed scenes that support the story of the song. Once the clips were generated, I lined them up to the beat so the visuals breathe with the music. Now, once the song was finished, I uploaded it to DistroKid. This part is actually simple. Upload your audio file, add the song title and artist name, choose Spotify and other platforms, and set the release date. After approval, the song went live on Spotify, meaning anyone worldwide can listen to it. And you want to know the crazy part? You don't need a record label. This is actually mind-blowing. You just need creativity and AI for support, and you are ready to go making your own musical brand. So if this video helped you understand the process, hit the like button. It really helps support my channel. And if you want to support my music directly, you'll find the link in the description below. And now what you all been waiting for, I'm going to play the full video. You can listen to it on Spotify or purchase it using the link below. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for supporting my channel. And now, drum roll please. Here we go.
The bass go thump like the ground woke up. Whole crowd move when the low end jump. No stress, no drama, just sweat and sound. When the beat hit heavy, we shake it down. Left foot stomp, right foot slide. Don't overthink it, just let it ride. Hands in the air like you don't care. If the groove find you, meet it halfway. Baseline groove, smile on your face, dirt on your shoes. That's how you know you're doing it true. Everybody stiff till the drums say go, then the whole damn room turn loose real slow. Ain't about cool, ain't about tough. If you ain't moving, you ain't had enough. Shoulders roll like the beat told them. Hips don't lie, don't try to hold them. Spin around once, clap twice, mess it up bad. That's the spice. Metal hit hard, funk stay slick. Bassline nasty, but it's still playful, kid. You don't dance good, perfect friend. This party don't judge, it just begin.